Tired of hidden fees eating away at the money you send home to your loved ones? Let's dive into Rewire, a money transfer service built with migrant workers in mind, offering a transparent and reliable way to send money internationally. First, head over to Rewire's website or download their app. Tap sign up and enter your email address, create a secure password, and select your country of residence. They'll ask for some basic personal information to verify your identity, ensuring a safe and secure transaction. Once you're registered, select Send Money next. Choose the country you're sending money to. You'll then see the exchange rate and any associated fees clearly displayed upfront. No surprises. Now, specify the amount you want to send and select your payment method. Rewire typically offers options like bank transfers, debit cards, and sometimes even credit cards. Choose the one that is convenient for you. Next, you'll need to enter your recipient's details. This usually includes their full name, address, and bank account information. If you're sending directly to their bank, double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any delays. Before finalizing, review all the transaction details on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, exchange rate, fees, and recipient information. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer. Rewire will then process your transaction, and you can track its progress directly within the app. They'll also notify you and your recipient when the money has been successfully delivered. With Rewire, you can send money home with confidence, knowing your hard-earned money is getting where it needs to go, quickly and safely.